Hi, today we're going to make a strawberry and banana smoothie bowl in less than 3 minutes. So we start with a cup and a half of frozen strawberries and blueberries, which I already have in my blender. Then we're going to add 5 ounces of almond milk. We put on our top to our Ninja Foodie, which is my favorite one to use. I love the stirrers that it has, so you don't have to keep opening it up and pushing down your food. You press bowl. So for an optional little addition, we're going to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream protein. This one is by First Form. I think it's got the best flavor of any protein out there. So that is my choice. And put it back on just for a minute. Blend it all up, and now we're ready to put it in our bowl and add some toppings. So now we're ready for some toppings. We're going to do some granola. A little bit of blackberries. Some blueberries. Some strawberries. Just some basic fruit that you can get at any grocery store. And then we're going to top it with a little bit of honey. And voila, a strawberry banana protein smoothie bowl.